Hey, hello guys. How are you doing? This is Vanati. Let's start our today's topic with our motto: winning is a choice and we choose to win always. So anything which is mysterious, which we can't understand becomes scary. Once we know how to handle it and we when we understand how it is behaving, then mysterious things become interesting to handle. Don't you agree? So let's start to understand how to handle gap down days like today. So I am before checking today's data, I am checking February 24th data. Okay, so I am checking February 24th data of Nifty. Nif- on February 24th, we had a huge gap down like today, and after that, market fall down nicely. And bank nifty was also fall down nicely. So other than nifty and bank nifty, you are going to check other indexes also. What other indexes we are going to check are um, bank nifty, pharma, it, metal, infra, energy, and auto. Okay, so now let's check pharma. Pharma on 24th was bearish from the beginning and it had a huge gap down and fall down nicely. From the beginning, it was bearish and fall down. So, metal sector. How metal sector has behaved on February 24th. So February 24th, it was bullish uh, for few hours and then it was unable to sustain and it fall down along with the other indexes. So far we are checking the indexes, no, only metal is was showing bullish sign on February 24th. Now it was having a huge gap down on February 24th and it was bearish from the beginning and fall down nicely. And then infra was also having a huge gap down. See, like nifty, it and infra was having a very huge gap down and along with nifty it fall down very nicely. And then energy sector was also having a nice fall from the beginning. Then auto sector was also having a gap down and fall down very nicely. So as of we have checked few indexes, right, other than nifty and bank nifty, and only sector which was bullish on February 24th was metal sector. That too it was bullish for first few hours only, then it was also falling along with other indexes. So when we are checking the other indexes, what we have understand is all sectors are bearish and these all sector stocks will pull nifty down and we can short it without any doubt. And once then metal was started to fall down, it was unable to sustain the high here and it fall down after nearly 12:30, right? So let's see how nifty was behaving after 12:30. After this candle, metals was also becoming bearish and once it nifty got the support of metals, it fall down very nicely. So when we are checking the indexes, only one index, that is metal, was bullish and once it started to fall, nifty was also falling without any support. So it was a short without any doubt. Now let's check today's data. So today also we had a very huge gap down, nearly more than 200 points, and um, it was we didn't have a very nice fall. It was falling for a few hours and then it went upside. And bank nifty was also the same thing. So how to know the trend direction using today's data. So let's start with nifty. So when I am seeing nifty, I am seeing I am seeing somewhat like a support, trend line support here. Okay, so trend line support, the price is taking trend line support here. And if I draw another trend line, then it will be like nifty is mm, trending within a channel. Okay, so uh, if nifty was moving upside, it will face resistance around this channel, or it will face resistance at this support zone. And then that was for tomorrow. So today's how we have handled this, like nifty and bank nifty was having gap down, and for few hours it was falling down. So now let's check other sectors. Pharma was not that much bearish. See, it is not having a very huge back gap down. It was somewhat bullish in the beginning, and consecutive it was moving upside for some time. For nearly 1 hour it was moving upside, and after that only pharma stocks were started to fall. And then metal sector actually had a huge, good gap up, and then it didn't fall. It was moving sideways. And Tata Steel was very bullish today. It gave a very good movement. Hope you have seen it. And then IT. When you are looking into IT was just similar to Nifty's movement. It was falling down nicely, and before market close, it was trying to recover. So IT was very bearish, and pharma and metal was not that much bearish. And then other sectors are infra. Infra was bearish for a few hours, and it was trying to move upside when it was market was closing. And then the energy sector was also bullish. See, it didn't break this first candle's low. And then auto sector, it was also bullish from the beginning. So when we are checking the indexes like this, what we have seen is IT was very bearish just like nifty, and other than that other sectors are mildly bearish, bullish. And especially metal was having a very uh, bullish strength, and that's why nifty was unable to fall down. So once we are finding the strength of other sectors, we know very well that it was not having that much bearish strength to fall down. And also when we are drawing a line like this, we are seeing the nifty may it was we will be taking support in this downward channel. So uh, and it was taking support actually. So what will happen next? By analyzing all the sectors, we can say it was not that much bearish other than IT. So selling, we have to cover it very soon, because other the metal, pharma was also energy, infra sector was bullish. And that's what has happened. Like after a few hours nifty was recovering, taking support of the uh, channel. And what will happen tomorrow is, if more than three sectors are showing strength, it will move upside and it will face resistance around this level. But if it is the no sector is bullish, it was bearish, means it will nifty will break this trend line, and we can expect a move towards 17,000. 17,000 will also act as a strong support for nifty. So that's all for today. uh, Signing off, this is Vanati. And remember, you can always trade better than you think.